In this video, we'll discuss 3 benefits of large-scale and enterprise e-commerce web scraping, 3 disadvantages, and finally, the best enterprise web scraping team to work with. Large-scale web scraping, also known as data harvesting, is utilized by a number of companies that require big data and is especially useful for e-commerce applications. There are several benefits that come with large-scale web scraping. Firstly, it benefits businesses to access an abundance of data in a cost-effective and efficient manner. This means you could gain an exact understanding of your customer base, competitors, and industry trends in a much more comprehensive way than is possible with manual data entry. Secondly, it allows for faster decision making and insights into trends, which we will discuss shortly. Benefits of large-scale e-commerce web scraping. Web scraping is great for efficiency, but what are some of the pros of using large-scale or enterprise web scraping for your e-commerce business? Number 1, market and competitor research. Large-scale e-commerce web scraping can get you large amounts of competitor product details, prices, reviews, and more. With these data points, your company can make informed decisions for future products or adjustments for current offerings. By having large amounts of competitor and market data, your business can set itself apart from its competitors, resulting as the clear winner between them all. Your business can also utilize the scraped data with machine learning algorithms to make better e-commerce predictions and recommendations for your customers. Number 2, price monitoring. One of the best things you could do with large-scale e-commerce web scraping is price monitoring. In fact, we also have a video on enterprise price monitoring in 2023 with web scraping. By having large amounts of competitor data in real time, your business can price its products competitively and will increase its traffic and checkout rates. People care a lot about price, especially for commodities that have an average market price. By improving your data strategy and having the prices of your major competitors' products, your business can win over more customers from your competitors. Number 3, sentiment analysis. Large-scale e-commerce web scraping can be useful for sentiment analysis, which once again gives you more insights into your company's or competitors' products. This data can be used to identify trends and can provide valuable analysis that you can use to improve your content strategy, marketing campaigns, customer service initiatives, and more. In fact, large-scale web scraping can help you automate your customer service as well, improving the overall sentiment around your business or brand. Aside from scraping e-commerce websites, you can also scrape Reddit or other social media platforms and review websites to get a better understanding of what your customers are thinking about. Cons of large-scale e-commerce web scraping. Although web scraping is amazing and makes your life easier, there are a lot of obstacles in large-scale web scraping. Number 1, legal and ethical issues. Web scraping can be legal, however, it depends on what you're scraping. You should ensure the data you're scraping is public-facing and does not require a login. Private information is illegal to scrape and should not be conducted. Ethics is also something you should consider when web scraping, as large-scale web scraping can slow down servers if done excessively. It is important to work with an enterprise web scraping company to ensure you're ethically and legally sourcing your e-commerce data. Number 2, getting blocked. Running into blocks is a major issue when large-scale e-commerce web scraping. It is easy for a company to detect custom-written web scraping scripts, as they often web scrape in an obvious manner on the target's website. Sometimes there are hidden JavaScript files that detect most web scrapers. Also, a lot of websites will send CAPTCHA blocks, which can be hard for your custom script to bypass. Finally, you may even get IP or user agent block, which stops your browser from loading any more pages from the target's website. This can be frustrating when trying to scrape a large number of products for your e-commerce company. Number 3, scaling issues. Finally, another disadvantage of large-scale e-commerce web scraping is running into scaling issues. This can happen with some web scraping software or even Python web scraping scripts. The issue with these scripts are that you could easily get blocked, as discussed earlier, but it's also hard to paginate through hundreds or thousands of e-commerce product pages. That is why we recommend you work with a team such as Parcel Plus that has helped a number of corporations with their large-scale e-commerce web scraping. Your Parcel Plus team can scrape thousands if not millions of pages for your business in a managed manner, allowing you to focus on your business and not on the web scraping or data harvesting. Best enterprise e-commerce web scraper. Ultimately, many businesses utilize enterprise or large-scale web scraping. It's great for e-commerce focused businesses as you gain large amounts of data from a number of competitors. With this data, your business can make more informed business decisions such as pricing adjustments and new product developments. Insights into trends and sentiment can also help guide your e-commerce strategy and improve business performance like never before. Parcel Plus takes care of your e-commerce web scraping all the way from sourcing to the actual scraping and even the data validation. Our managed team ensures all the data being sent to your business, either through spreadsheets or via our API, is 100% accurate and ready to be used for analysis or decision making. Are you ready to improve your enterprise level e-commerce big data efforts in 2023? Book a call with Parcel Plus and get your free sample data export. The link is in the description below. Happy scraping!